foggy day in North Carolina. Gross. Anyway, this is day 11 officially. I went to bed super late last night. I'm not very good at vlogging from this angle, so forgive me if this is not correct, if I'm not all the way in the middle of it. What is happening? You better stay out of my plant. Okay. And this tripod is being silly. So happy day 11. It is going down. Okay, show me what you got. By the way, step back. This hoodie has been passed down from Danny to me, to Sydney, to to Mackenzie, Sydney. Now it's Addie, and then it's gonna be passed on to him. Look at it. It's just, maybe I'll sew the pocket, but it's been just passed down like a tradition. It's a rite of passage, if you will. All right, show me what you got.
Got a candy cane.
Okay, the other thing though. Excuse me. Hey, get out of my Crocs. Oh, she smells Junie.
And then I got this pin. Oh, the hair clip.
What does it say?
My social battery.
Oh yeah. What is it when you have sleepovers? Oh, it's all the way, huh?
Yeah, it's
in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, that's me too.
Oh, it moves. What did I do? Oh.
It's cutesy.
Moves faster.
Let me see what you got.
I got Texas Roadhouse gift card, and I got chocolate, and then I got...
Is that the Taylor Swift charm?
I can spray it on the cheek. It's really small.
Oh, it is really small.
It's so cute, though.
Oh, so when this is all done, when he's done opening it, it's gonna make a bracelet, and then he can put it all together.
Yeah.
Nice. This is the state of the advent calendars for them. These are the two that I made.
Well,
this is the one I was working on.
Which one had the Texas Roadhouse?
And now he just punches it with a pen, right?
Yeah. Wait, which one? I have to see which one had the gap. Wait. I actually don't know now. I think it was this one. Okay, this is the second DIY project of the season. I want to put my Christmas card that I made into an 8x10 into this frame. I don't want to show you what it is yet because some of you are getting one. Also, if you want a Christmas card from me, just leave your address and I will send you one. Actually, don't leave your address. It is a really crappy day. Let's open this up, see how windy it is. Gotta undo the wood. Don't mind the ugly backyard. Oh boy. Oh!
It's so dark. It got dark all of a sudden.
Show them my hair.
Okay. Back up. It's kind of dark where I'm standing. Still kind of dark. Oh, look at that hair. Oh. All right, it's time for tea. What day are we? 11? Wow, we're really cruising. Let's see. Flipping it back. Thanks, Liz. Noggy and nice. I'm a little scared. I've been crossing them off. So where's Noggy and nice? Oh, it's up here. It's a green tea, so there's a little bit of caffeine. Can you see this? Yeah.
Green tea.
Steep it for 3 to 4 minutes. It looks like a salad, guys. It is looking like a salad. I'm gonna start using this to strain the tea remains. Whoa, look, you be tripping. Are you dancing?
Oh my god.
Everybody loves Dee Dee in these videos.
Really?
Yes.
Am I famous?
I don't know about famous.
I'm famous in my mind.
Pretty popular though. Pretty popular. Oh, I don't have my robe on. I haven't worn my robe for tea time since Ohio, and that was. Zaya gave me a robe this short. It was like this short, and you can't see. And I said, what if I was joking with Auntie Angie and Miss Bernice, and I said, I can't even go and pick up the paper. I'm gonna be like, hey neighbor. Yeah. That's what I was saying. It's not good enough. It wouldn't be decent enough to go get the newspaper. I feel like I should use a bigger tea mug because I dumped the whole thing. I'm out of sorts. I'm gonna put it in here. You guys, this is the year where everything is a mess. I'm going to attempt. You guys saw what I was doing in Ohio, right? Like, I am overflowing. Okay. Ah!
Oh, she's rolling, guys.
All right, it's smelling like tea for real. Like a salad, not tea, but a salad is what it's smelling like.
Okay.
I don't know if I will like it, so I don't know. It looks like leaves I picked up in the backyard for real. Since this is for two, this is a double. I made a double. Hey, did you want? I'm just gonna pour it in here because I can't let the water sit. I haven't. I was working on this tea. This tea is like a full-time job. Ow, it's very hot. Let's get this salad out of here. Look at it. Am I in frame?
Yeah.
Am I recording?
Yes.
I didn't hear it. Okay. I'm a little scared though. Watch. This is my favorite one.
It is.
I think that car that looked like Katie's car is the Amazon driver.
No.
It could be.
Oh, can I?
What were you saying,
You
Addie?
saw that, right?
It's not
I
fair.
don't know what to do. I try my best. These advent calendars, you guys,
camera too.
they are, I don't know if it was on camera or not, but
It was good.
I tried my best with these, and the pieces are falling off and going behind here,
One by one.
one by one. So I don't really know how to fix it.
So bad.
Let's get back to the tea. You want to try it?
Yeah, put that in slow mo.
What?
Whenever that thing fell down.
If it's in there, you got to be on camera. You want to be on camera or no? She doesn't like any tea, so I won't be surprised at her reaction.
I'm scared I'm gonna burn my
You go,
lips. I'm scared.
stop! You're gonna shake it all around and burn yourself.
I don't like that.
Well, it's for me. Cheers.
I had tea whenever I was sick and it was freaking disgusting. Actually, I added a lot of sugar in it, so
Mm.
oh, I got diabetes now.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
It's okay. It's a green tea. It's not noggy or nice. That was the name of it.
It's so
Noggy.
bitter.
Oh, noggy and nice
Put
is the
some
name of it.
here. Put some. Put some.
I think I need. Oh, yeah. Let's do
some of
that.
these in here.
If my best friend is watching, she bought these for me,
I did.
her and I to try. No, you didn't.
I'm your best
And
friend.
it's blue lavender, and there are sugar cubes. Let me try to doctor this up. Okay. Watch me splashing on my phone, so.
Okay, whatever.
Isn't it so cute? So cutesy.
Okay, you're done.
All right, I gotta stir it. I don't have real stir sticks. Raider,
It's got your finger.
What?
You're crazy.
That'd be hot.
I'm gonna use this stick. And look, there's stuff inside that comes out.
There's more
like
Swiss
seeds
mix
and
in
stuff.
here.
You are so sad. He thinks he's a human, basically. He's like, rock me to sleep, please. Oh my gosh.
He's adopted. He's
And
not.
he's
blood
adopted.
related.
Okay. Adopted, not blood related?
Yeah.
You sure?
You can sit down.
All right. Let's try it after it's had some. Am I even in frame?
Yes, you're. Back it out. Okay, there you go. I fixed it for you. You're in 5X.
I don't want to be in
No,
5X.
it's like perfect. Okay, you're not. Cheers. It's
It
supposed to be
tastes a
cheers.
little bit better,
It's just so bitter.
but the flour pieces are coming out of the
My
sugar cube.
soul. I don't like these because they're little green.
I'm chewing
stuff.
on lavender.
Oh yeah, the lavender bits. I put one of these in my tea.
All right, I'm just gonna drink this. Basically, I'm gonna suffer through it because
It's
I
healthy
would
for
not
you.
buy this one either. I don't mind a green tea, but it's Boring. I don't see anything noggy or nice about it.
Naughty or nice about it.
Noggy.
Raider,
It's noggy. Now to the puzzle table, aka dining room table. Oh, hey Paul and Polly. It's day 11. Not trying to touch you. Okay, your skirt doesn't count. It's a little impossible. Oh, it looks like a dark chocolate. Okay.
That one chocolate you put on my calendar, I forgot which one it was. It tasted really
That's right.
The last one I tasted. What is it?
It's got a fruit. I think it's cherry. We should eat the whole thing. It's not, it's subtle, so I can appreciate that. And it's dark chocolate, which I like that. How the rest of it? I gotta do my cheese. Oh, get out of here, dustpan. You guys been eating your cheese?
Barely. Oh, I'm off mine on camera.
Oh my gosh. All right, we're a little behind. I got 7. What do you mean? TJ Maxx, Target. Should we get Miss Erica a gift? She likes coffee.
Oh, what? Okay, I'll
Here
go mine up.
is
I'm so good at this. Get it.
chili. Oh, chili infused. I don't even know where my lens is. Oh, you guys didn't do my 8 either? Oh my gosh.
I didn't know you wanted to eat them. I thought you wanted to eat them.
I mean, I said you guys could share this and the chocolate one.
No, we're going to delete them. Why?
I'm going to say this correctly. It's double
Get the chocolate
Gloucester.
ones. Those
Let
are
me know
good.
if I said it right. Oh my gosh, 3 is not done as well. This is going to be a whole cheese day.
Come on, line up.
I don't forget dinner. Oh my gosh, you too. Oh my gosh.
I stopped doing
Add-on
after 4.
cheese. I see this at Aldi. I don't know what it
Where's
is.
4?
Obviously cheese, but oh my gosh, 5. I'm just gonna assume they didn't open any of these while I was in Ohio.
Yeah, we did.
Dutch cheese with Dr. Pepper. Just kidding.
Oh, what's that? That would have been crazy.
Got her. I got 11. Oh my gosh, it just caved in. Wait, 11's not in here. What a heck? Oh, it is. Okay. I feel like I'm playing that
Oh
game
my god. Wait.
where the operation game where I gotta like, I'm in the bowels of this
Days.
box. I cannot get the cheese though. Oh my gosh, it's lost. Oh wait, I got it. I got
I
it.
see it. I see it.
You might be seeing another day.
I know it's joking.
It's like I'm imagining my fingers are chopsticks and I got it. Oh, here she comes.
Okay. You're done.
Oh, it's a girl.
What?
Herb Gouda. I don't know if I like Gouda, you guys. I'm not sure I'm good with Gouda.
Next, you're gonna get.
Number 4. Holy moly, you guys didn't open anything. I've got a lot of cheese to eat. Aged Gouda. Okay.
We can eat.
I could eat this.
We can make a charcuterie board.
Oh my gosh. Number 6. Come on. Vintage. That sounds delicious. And old. Okay, I know I did 2. What else am I missing? 9, 8. We got 7. 1. All right, I think I'm all caught up now. Oh
You got
my
7?
gosh. Look how many cheeses I have.
Let's
We
do
need the
mukbang.
we need the crackers.
Yeah, we need the crackers.
Before I do that, I need to do this. So we're on day 11. Oh, I'm blind. What is it? Oh. What the heck is it? I got a bracelet. Gilmore Girls. I love it. It's so cute. So cutesy. Look at it. It's like
Did you
it's
open
so
10?
minimal. This is not a bracelet. This is a keychain. 10?
Did you open that yesterday?
I think I got this yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, these are from yesterday. Look at my haul. What did he even do with these? I don't know. I know I'll use this. Nope. I bought this because I liked it last year. Anyway, here we go. Look at all this cheese. Addie, how many do you have? You have the same amount as
6.
me?
I got 6.
I have 7. It's raining leaves. Anyway, gotta go through this quickly because my battery.
I'm gonna do 5.
This is chili infused cheese.
This is bruschetta cheese.
Where's the chili? Oh, there it is. I think I just bit into one. I like that one.
Oh, good.
I would eat it. Double Gloucester. Again, I think I'm really saying it right. I'm really saying it right.
Yeah, rate them.
Oh, out of 10 or 5?
10.
I would rate the chili one probably a 6. It's not as much chili as I thought it would be.
I would rate this one
What?
a 5. I don't know, 4. I don't like that one.
This is a harder cheese.
I like the hard cheese. I don't like it. This is black truffle cheddar.
I like truffle.
You have that?
Okay. The Gloucester is kind of like a cheddar. Maybe it's a type of cheddar. I don't know. I need to study up.
This is Mimo.
I would give that like a 6 out of 10.
Oh, mine, I didn't like that. So it's like 5. They're moving too fast. So this is
I love truffle.
Mimo let.
I give this a 10.
Mimo
I like
latte.
truffle.
Come on, help me. What's his name?
Mimolet. I don't know. I never heard that cheese.
Oh, this one's very smushy.
Smushy. This is
It smells like cheddar. Good.
Oh my gosh, look at these leaves. It looks pretty, but weird at the same time. All these yellow leaves are flying around. This is
whoa.
Dutch cheese with pepper.
10 out of 10.
Soft. It's a lot of pepper. I mean, if I were eating this with like something kind of sweet on a cracker, like the combination, I give this a 7.
Black pepper Gouda.
Oh no. It's wild. Whoa, that tree's completely naked now. Here, Dee. Film that. Oh my gosh.
I think our power's gonna go out tonight. I think
It
so.
is really windy.
I can't even taste this one.
All right, we're back. Have one. I'm not eating a whole cracker every time. Oh,
Oh.
herb Gouda. You are?
I bet.
I'm trying not to get full. I got like 1,000 cheeses to try.
True. I don't like this one that much, so.
Herb Gouda. This is gonna be soft. I already know.
Oh, yeah, it's Gouda. 4 out of 10.
There's one herb in here that is incredibly strong. Oregano.
That one tastes like dookie.
I'm gonna give this a 4.
A 4.
A 4. Something is really strong. Aged Gouda. Did you already do an aged Gouda?
No, I want to try it.
You don't.
This one's mustard Gouda.
Ooh.
Dude, all these are Gouda. Why people have such interesting taste buds? Actually, that makes no sense. This one goes up.
I give this an 8.
That little day tastes like deviled
Mustard?
egg.
It smells like a fart. I don't know how I feel about this.
No, I'm just like.
It's like an egg. It really is like a farty egg.
What's this one?
Yeah.
I like
I need
this
cracker
one.
and a tea.
You want to switch?
Hmm.
It's mine now. Dang, look at over there.
Okay.
Anyways, last.
The weather's really bad right now. We're just watching.
Another
The
black
Edam
cheddar.
cheese. Let me see if we're still recording. We're going.
Dude, the weather is
Oh,
so
gosh,
It's
it's
only
crazy.
4.
All right. I don't know if it's gonna. Oh, this feels like a soft cheese. What am I even eating? Black truffle cheddar. You already had that. I like this.
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Shut up. Black truffle cheddar. 10. Yeah, there was a Gouda. Vintage cheddar.
That one's really bad.
Which one?
The one you just took.
Oh, I love it. Vintage cheddar. You can have my vintage cheddar. You know you're
I
gonna
love
like
that
this one.
Is it hard?
Mm.
Oh, it's just to think on it. It's like moist. I don't like that.
Mm. There's not a.
Oh, my hair. Nobody saw that.
I give it a 9.
This is good.
Black truffle every time.
You're crazy.
Now I don't know what to do with all this cheese. What are you gonna do with yours? You're giving it to him?
Mm.
Oh my gosh. Mm. It's okay. I like this dark though. Sea salt. Very tired. I mean, last night I didn't go to bed till 2 in the morning. I should probably go to bed like right now. Hi, Gunny. So that's what I'm gonna do. And tomorrow is Sydney's birthday. She already had her party. It was last weekend. She's gonna get her driver's license tomorrow. We're gonna try. I don't know if we'll actually be successful because we don't have an appointment, and it takes like, when I went to look for her birthday, they were already looking in January. And this was like 2 months out, so I had no hope. We're gonna do what we did for her permit and then try to just walk in. We're gonna go at 6 in the morning, which means I've gotta be up by 5 to let Freya out, to then come home, or, you know, come back in and leave here by 6 to get to the DMV. We're hoping she can get it. If not, then there's always Friday. I just know I'm gonna be a very tired mom. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. I appreciate you all hanging out with me for day 11, and I will see you tomorrow in tomorrow's Vlogmas video.